Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use ad blockers in Google Chrome. So using ad blockers in Chrome is a great way to speed up your browsing experience and reduce distractions and protect your privacy. And through this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and use the ad blockers in Chrome. So there are several popular ad blocker extensions available in Google Chrome. Some of the most widely used ones include AdBlock, uBlock Origin, AdGuard, Popper Blocker, or Ghost3. So if you want to install one, you can just find it on the Chrome Web Store. So you can just tap on this three dots icon and go to extension and tap on this Visit Chrome Web Store. And you can just click on this search bar at the top and use the keyword ad blocker. Hit on enter and you'll see there are lots of ad blocker apps in here. You can just choose which one to use on your Chrome. For example, I'm going to just use this ad block. So the ad blocks block all types of ads, including banners, pop-ups, and video ads. You can just tap on this, add to Chrome, click on add extension, and you can just wait until the ad blocker is installed on your Chrome. So once the ad block is installed, you need to configure it to fit your needs. So what you need to do is just click on the ad block icon. So click on this extension and tap on this ad block extension. And what you need to do is just you can toggle ad block on and off for individual sites by clicking on these. You can click on the settings first or options to adjust the ad blocker. So in here you can add blocking rules. You can set up custom filters or whitelist specific sites. You can see you can just choose which to allow and which to block. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.